Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have x, y, and z as definitely positive real number. Show that x plus z divided by y plus x plus y divided by z plus y plus z divided by x greater than or equal 6. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. We know that square root of x divided by square root of y minus square root of y divided by square root of x all square greater than or equal 0. Therefore, square root of x divided by square root of y all square plus square root of y divided by square root of x all square minus 2 times square root of x divided square root of y times square root of y divided by square root of x greater than or equal 0. Now we simplify the numbers square root of x and square root of y. So we got x divided by y plus y divided by x minus 2 greater than or equal 0. Therefore, x divided by y plus y divided by x greater than or equal 2. We call this inequality 1. In the same way, we show that x divided by z plus z divided by x greater than or equals 2. And y divided by z plus z divided by y greater than or equals 2. We call this inequality 2 and this inequality 3. Now we add these inequalities 1, 2, and 3 side by side. So we got x divided by y plus y divided by x plus x divided by z plus z divided by x plus y divided by z plus z divided by y greater than or equal 2 plus 2 plus 2. Therefore, x divided by y plus z divided by y plus x divided by z plus y divided by z plus y divided by x plus z divided by x greater than or equal 6. Therefore, x plus z divided by y plus x plus y divided by z plus y plus z divided by x greater than or equal 6. Therefore, this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.